Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mr. Tacky. I'm MG and this channel is all about coding and technology and the latest AI powered innovations. Now the teaser that you watched, yes, that was created using Higgsfield.ai. Honestly guys, I literally burned through my tokens to make this teaser, but trust me, this was totally worth it. Higgsfield.ai is absolutely amazing. This feels like the beginning of the new era of the cinema and the content creation industry. What makes it so powerful is how easily you can create cinematic shots. You don't need to complex softwares or advanced editing skills. Just write a prompt and boom, you get high quality cinematic outputs. For creators, filmmakers and AI enthusiasts, this platform is a game changer. If you ever dreamed of creation movie style visuals using AI, this is where it starts. So in this video, I already created a full project and now I'm going to show you a small chunks of that process, how I actually created this teaser using Higgsfield.ai. So you can see how I created this teaser from scratch by first generating images using simple prompts in Higgsfield.ai. Then I convert those images into cinematic videos step by step using this tool inside the platform, and see how powerful this platform really is. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you enjoy AI tech and future ready tools, subscribe to Mr. Tacky and let's explore Higgsfield.ai together. Okay, so open your browser, type here Higgsfield. This is the first link, Higgsfield.ai. Click over this website. So this is the interface of Higgsfield.ai website. Let's start from the top here on the navigation bar. Let me quickly show you what each section does. Explore shows feature tools, trending creations and new AI features. Here images, this is where you generate high quality AI images using different models. Here the model listed and the features are also there. In videos, here you create AI videos, cinematic shots, motion based scenes and auto sync clips. Edit lets you modify existing images or videos, light in paint, upscale, stylize. Character is used for face swap, character swap, and identity based generation. In paint, within paint you select a specific area and tell AI what to change. This is very powerful. Cinema Studio, this is the most important and professional feature of Higgsfield. We'll deep dive into here. Next is motion control. Motion control allows you to control camera movement using references, assets, apps, community. These sections help with AI guidance, tools and community inspirations. Let's start with Cinema Studio. So here let me show you how I create these videos using the images and what is the process I have followed. I'm going to here image section. For every video, I generated first the images, then I converted those images into the video in a cinematic form. See here, this is the image and here is the prompt, complete prompt. You can see here I uploaded my images for model know about the characters. So for that here I uploaded the prompts. Let me create this again, like, share and subscribe, this one image. I just copy this prompt here and paste it over here and see here, choose our model, whatever the model is. I choose Nano Banana Pro for this complete video. Aspect ratio, whatever the ratio, I want 16:9, so I selected this one. Quality, I want 4K quality. Batch size, like how much images you want. I want 2 images. Okay, click over this generate button. I filled here 2 batch size, so it will generate 2 images. In the meantime, I'll show you like how I create these all whatever the images I have. Let me share with you. Xfield.ai fix. Okay, here these all are the images that I generated here. In this, some of the images and also videos are also there. Go back here, like explanation, these all are images that I generated by the Higgsfield image section. And next is like MG, these professional images, then Techie MG. I also generated this intro of my video, this Techie MG. And here, this is the office where the Tony meets the MG and MG is doing work. Go back, RDJ movie. Here I created these into some chunks. First of all, Tony will wake up, then standing, discussion in the lab, then third one is analysis. MG is doing some analysis in the laboratory, then handshake movement here, then Tony doing his research by his own before meeting the MG. And here some of the MG's images, how he's doing work. Both are testing their suits. These all are images that I generated. Then these images I created the videos like this. Some of the videos I didn't give the proper prompt, so these kinds of things are happening, like desk is moving, so these glitches are happening. So that's why you give a better prompt. I rewrite the prompt again to the GPT, and then the final result will you already see in the teaser. And here the next one is YouTube videos. Here I divided all these frames in the 1, 2, 3 formats for my understanding. And here sound effects are also I used. I downloaded and work is already going on. So here these are the complete.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence.
This is the teaser that you watched in this intro of this video. I'm also working on it on this project, which is already around 5 minutes something. And I'm not playing this video currently. You will see in the next upcoming days. Here movie, and also I manage all these editing and movie and trailer. This is my complete folder, and the Higgsfield is literally insane and it's working well. The result is too good. I'm totally satisfied with these results. I tried with lot of the AI tools to creating the videos, but I didn't satisfy by the old tools. Here I want to create one more scene which is remaining, so I'm just going to my folder here, discussion scene here. So just I drag and drop this image here. First scene is this one. Now provide the next image, which is this over here. Give them 10 seconds, 1 frame, generate. Okay, so video is generated. Let's see the results. Okay, both are here. Then going to mini suit. Okay, that's nice. That's it. Okay, let's see the images. Filtered, created. Okay, this is not generated. Okay, so here like, share and subscribe. This is one image is generated, and one more option is there. Open in. I want to see this one image in the different angles. So for that, just over here, right side. I think now you can see over here in the right side panel, animate just below this open in. Here multi-shoot, open in. Here click over this button, multi-shot. Here this gives generate a multiple shots. Here just generate 4. It takes 4 tokens. How many? I have 4 credits left. Okay, just click over this button. It will generate. See here, this image is generated with the different angles. I think I clicked 2 times on the generate button, so these 2 images. See here, our images are generated with the 9 different angles. We can create also a video using these 9 images, like that. First one is this one image, then hand is showing, then finger is visible, then this image with the this person. After that, this hand will be like more near to the display, and then this subscribe channel, then user click over this subscribe button. After that, this subscribe is visible, then this subscribe button will be in the desk. Like that, we can create a one image using these 9 images. Other than that, we also have this. I clicked over 2 times on this button generate, that's why these 2 images are generated. So here we can also use this one, and whatever the perspective you are thought, like visuals you want, like that you can generate. I also, let me show you how I generated these frames with a different angle. See here, handshakes and this testing of Iron Man suit. This Tony comes to the lab, this moves, wake up moves with the different shots. MJ is doing his own trial of the suits, analyzing something, like that. These all shots, this is the single one image, then I convert into the different angles. So like that, I get multiple images using one image with the different shots, so that it will be looks like a very cinematic video. Okay guys, if you enjoy AI tech and feature edit tools, do subscribe to Mr. Techie and explore Higgsfield.ai. Bye.